Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon. Click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. It's Tuesday, April 13th, 2:53 p.m. New York time. The equity market, aka the stock market, still has 1 hour before it closes. We'll look at cannabis stocks. We'll look at the time frame of weekly candles. So since it's Tuesday, the current candle on the far right is not done yet. Another state has declared to legalize recreational marijuana. Let's see if the stocks in the cannabis industry reacted. Alpha Charlie Bravo, that's the stock symbol here. And for the week, it already broke the low of last week. The momentum is down, it's bearish, that is not leadership. Still coming towards this green horizontal line, that's a prior demand zone, a potential buy area. Alpha Papa Hotel Alpha. For this week, it gapped down below the low of last week. Bad job. It also took out this swing low here. Bad job. So maybe it's still going to come down lower to this $12 range. It's not leadership. Bravo, Lima, Oscar, Zulu, Foxtrot. Made a lower low than the prior week, and it's an acceleration. That's not leadership neither. Bravo, Uniform, Delta, Zulu. It took out the low of last week. The momentum's down. It's bearish, still trending down. Watching that 50-cent area, potential consolidation and a reversal. Charlie, Alpha, November, November. It also broke below this consolidation area. That's not good. That's not leadership. Charlie, Bravo, Delta, Sierra. It took out the high of last week. That's good. Still an acceleration, but it's trending higher. Whoop, it just popped up more. Someone's buying. The price is moving. Let's see if it gets above 90 cents this week. So I will write that down on my watch list to review it on the faster time frames as a possible day trade or a swing trade. I'll look for entry on the faster time frame. That's Charlie, Bravo, Delta, Sierra. Now Charlie, Bravo, Whiskey, Tango, Foxtrot. Red candle inside acceleration, and it's struggling because it's already below the high of the week. That's not good. Charlie, Goff, Charlie. Momentum's down. It's trending down. Took out the low of last week. That's not good. Charlie, Romeo, Bravo, Papa. Yeah, it's really bad. Look at that. There's higher price from last year, and here's the high of this year. We're still down. Yep. Struggle. Let's go on to the next. So takeaway right now is the cannabis industry is not looking hot. They might be too high to be productive. Was that a joke? Yeah, the momentum's down for Charlie, Romeo, Lima, Bravo, Foxtrot. Even in this demand zone, it's still struggling. Charlie, Romeo, Oscar, November. Took out the low of last week, broke below this consolidation, momentum's down. Charlie Whiskey Bravo Hotel Foxtrot also took out the low of last week. Momentum is still down. Foxtrot Alpha Foxtrot. Leadership, outstanding. New high for the year, outstanding. Again, that's Foxtrot Alpha Foxtrot, First American Financial Corp. Are they working legally with cannabis when they use the word financial? Okay. Yeah, because if you know, the banks are regulated by the federal government, and banks cannot be participating in the cash or capital from cannabis companies. Yeah. Again, this is bullish. The momentum's to the upside, strong like bull. Golf Romeo Hotel November. Sorry, Golf Romeo November Hotel. I say Golf Romeo November Hotel. Yep, it's bearish. Inside candle, indecision. Still, the momentum's to the downside. Golf Romeo Whiskey Golf made a higher high for the week and back inside that range. It's not leadership. Golf Tango Bravo India Foxtrot. Green for the week, but also took out the low of last week. So if you look at it, consolidation, breakdown, consolidation, building staircase pattern, lower low. But now there's buyers because this is a prior demand zone here. So the opportunity is, if it trades above the close from this prior candle, and that close was $28, $28.10, that's a potential buy. You want to be more conservative, you can wait till it takes out the high of this yellow candle, which is $31. So you possibly would buy or consider buy at $31.01. And if you're wrong, you get out ASAP. That's a trade idea. Golf Whiskey Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Yep. Interesting. It's in consolidation, made a higher high. Still a lot of indecision there. Hotel Echo Mike Papa Hemp. Yeah, new low for the week. Trending down, the momentum's down. It's still bearish. India November Charlie Yankee. Green for the week, where it took out the low for the week, but it's back inside that range of there. Still way off its highs of this year and way off the highs from last year. It's not leadership. But again, if it closes this week inside this range, that's a potential reversal for a buy area. And then you'd wait for the next week to see if it takes out the high of this week. Got all that? It's not that hard. You don't understand? You come to my Patreon page. I'll get more details. India Victor, India Tango Foxtrot, inside candle indecision. That's good. These past 2 weeks are a tighter trading range. It's building consolidation and tighter coil for breakout. That's a potential trade idea right there. Need to write that down. That symbol, India Victor, India Tango Foxtrot. See how that plays out in the next few days. Juliet Uniform Sierra Hotel Foxtrot, lower low. Momentum's down. It's bearish. Yeah, it's coming back in a demand zone, but coming down here on strength. That's not good. Mike Goff Whiskey Foxtrot Foxtrot. It did take out the high of last week, and now trading back inside that range. Not leadership. It failed to do a follow through. So see what happens at the end of the week if it really stays up here as a potential trade idea for the upside. Mike Sierra Romeo Tango, inside candle, indecision. And there's been a demand zone here around that 2 cents. That's right, whole 2 cents. It's a cheap stock. And there's also been a lot of sellers on the upside. So potential. That's a trade idea. Yep, if it takes out that prior week's high, which is 23 cents, that may be considered as an entry. And then keep your stop at the low of last week. And trade to the upside. So let me write that one down. That's a trade idea. Oscar Goff India. Yep. Momentum's to the downside. It tested a prior demand zone. Buyer stepped in at 250. So Again, have to wait till the week's done to see how that candle forms. And if it forms like this as a hammer, then that following week potential is an entry. So what do we need to do? Write this down and look at it at the end of the week to see what happens. Papa, Oscar, Tango, November. Green for the week and took out the low of last week. It's struggling, not good, not leadership. Sierra, Mike, Goff. Okay, it rolled over. Couldn't continue the momentum to the upside. That's not leadership. That's not good. Sierra, November, Delta, Lima. Took out the low of last week. Small trading range, very small. Lower low. Watch this one closely for potential reversal on this higher time frame. So if it closes back inside that prior candle, that could be considered a trade idea. And certainly if it takes out the high of that prior candle, that's an opportunity. I like that. Okay, on to the next. Sierra Tango Zulu, inside candle, indecision. Bad child. Tango Lima Romeo Yankee. Broke below the consolidation. That's not good. It's green for the week, but again, the momentum's to the downside. That's not leadership. Tango Romeo Tango Charlie. Inside candle, indecision. So this is a demand zone. Last week tested it, had buyers. We'll see what happens for this week, but tiny trading range, very small. Yeah, that's indecision. Tango Romeo Uniform Lima. Lower low. Yes, that's not good. Sloppy. It's not trending, but it's bearish. Victor Foxtrot Foxtrot. Momentum's to the downside. It's bearish. Took out that swing low. That's not good. Momentum's down. X-ray Lima Yankee. Strong like bull. New high for the year. Outstanding. Outstanding. Like that one. Look for potential opportunities to reload. Trade bullish on pullbacks on lightness. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal link. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.